Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my everyday makeup routine. I've gotten a few requests to do an updated one because I use a bunch of new products. I have a bunch of favorites here. I'm obsessed with all of these products. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna try not to like ramble on through this video, but everything I'm pretty much showing you is like my favorites at the moment. They're just really good products. Like if you are looking for some good makeup, all of these products are really good and my current favorites. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm starting off with the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. This is in the color 2.5 in, a 2.5 in. It's so good, and I just kind of get it on my finger and I dot it around my face. This is a really like light glowy foundation and it just feels really good on the skin and also looks like really good. So just gonna put that all over my face and then blend it out. I just use a damp Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna blend that all out. Okay, so that's all blended out now, and I'm gonna go in with concealer, which my favorite concealer I've ever used now is the Hourglass Concealer, and this is in the shade, this is the Vanish Hourglass Concealer, and it's in the shade Cotton. It is my favorite. It's so good. It's like a really good mix between the NARS Creamy Concealer and Sharp, oh my gosh, Tarte Shape Tape. It's really good. So I just put that under my eyes and then around my nose because I get like redness right here, chin, and then I'll like kind of put it on any spots, but then I just blend that out, which I'll do now. Okay, now that that's all blended out, I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I just grab a little bit of that and kind of apply it mainly under my eyes, but kind of everywhere, just to set, because both of those products are like glowier, so they're like just kind of makes my skin feel a little, not oily, but just like I need some powder to set everything in. So I just do that and bring it down the neck. And then I am going to go in with some bronzer. Right now I'm just using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh, it is $11.55 and the Stanley Cups are restocking at $12. So I gotta get ready to buy one. But yeah, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I currently don't have like a favorite bronzer, so I'm just using this one to kind of warm up my face. Again, with that same fluffy brush. I just warm up my whole face with this. Do that. And then my favoriteest ever blush so far, which I have had the hardest time finding a blush I really like, is the Dior Flashing You. The infamous Dior blush that like Kylie Jenner uses. It's the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow blush, and it looks like bizarre. It's like so pink, but it does not show up like that. It's so pretty. It looks so good, and I really have been loving this. It's a little bit pricier, but I think it's worth it, and it's gonna last a while, I think, and it's just so pretty. And I have the hardest time finding a blush that I like, so I love this one. And I just use this like small little brush, just like that, get all rosy. Really quickly, I want to talk to you guys about the Pill Club. You've heard me talk about it before. I love the Pill Club. It is an online subscription service to get birth control delivered discreetly to your door every single month. So it's just awesome. It's an awesome way of getting birth control every month. It's my favorite way. It's convenient, easy, discreet, affordable, and it's just the best way to get birth control. So let me tell you about it. Pill Club carries over 120 FDA approved birth control brands, and it ships to all 50 states. Most brands of birth control are free with insurance or Medicaid. Otherwise, prices start as low as $7 a month without insurance. The Pill Club delivers birth control to your door for free in discreet packaging, along with fun self-care gifts and goodies. Seriously, it's the best. Every month you get your birth control with some goodies added to your package, and it's way more affordable, way more convenient, and just super easy to do. You get a doctor through the Pill Club online, and you just get whatever birth control matches you right, or if you already are on one but you want to switch to the Pill Club, they carry like I said, 120 different brands. So it's just so easy and so much more convenient than having to go to the pharmacy and deal with that, and it's way more affordable. And right now when you go to thepillclub.com/Messler, the Pill Club is offering a $10 donation to bedsider.org for every one of you who become a patient. If you become a patient, your donation will help low-income individuals get access to birth control through bedsider.org. That's thepillclub.com/Messler to get your first birth control care package and donate to help more women in need of affordable birth control. Remember, thepillclub.com/Messler. I'll have it down below along with on screen right now. Definitely click the link below to make your donation and start birth control with the Pill Club. Now we're gonna get back into the video. I will highlight with this MAC. What is this? The Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And yeah, it's just this little like highlighter. It's a very light glow highlighter, and I just put this on with my finger onto my nose and cheeks. I do like a kind of like a triangle, so I do my cheeks right up top, and then I do my eyebrow bone and then my inner corners, just like that. And then I go into doing my brows next. So the eyebrow pencil I really like and use all the time is this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Eyebrow Pencil in Brunette. I really like the Anastasia, whatever, brow pencil, but that's a lot more expensive than this one. This one's like 10 bucks or less. And I think they work like equally good, honestly. So I just do my eyebrows with this. I really try to keep my eyebrows looking like pretty natural, but I do enhance the shape and make them look a little thicker and fuller just because I don't have the thickest eyebrows, so I kind of just fill in the sparse spots. Why was that so hard to say? And then I kind of just put like hair like strokes in there, and then I go in with my holy grail brow gel that I'm obsessed with. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera just quickly, fill them in, then I'll show you guys my eyebrow gel that I love. And I'm also gonna buy my Stanley Cup. I want the pink one. It's got 1 minute until it's restocked. Eyebrows are done, cups are bought, we're all good. I'm gonna use my eyebrow gel. This is the Patrick Ta lamination major brow lamination gel, and it's so good. It's just clear brow gel, but it like freezes your brows right where you put them. It doesn't like flake or have any like white residue, and it just works so good. Only thing about it is that it works like fast, so you kind of have to work with it fast, but I love this stuff. It's so good. This is like the little applicator. I don't know if you can see. My camera is like not focusing right now. I'm getting texts. So good. I just brush my eyebrows upwards, and then I kind of smooth out the crazy hairs, but I love it. Brows are all done. Hopefully the camera's focused. My eyesight's like also not focusing. Now we're gonna get into eyes, and all I'm gonna do is line a little bit around my eyes with this Pencil Perfect L'Oreal eyeliner. It's just Oakley's barking at the garbage man, by the way, also. But I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. I switch up my eyes like every day. Sometimes I do eyeshadow, sometimes I do nothing. Today I'm doing a little liner, not anything crazy, just like brown liner. And I'm gonna smudge it out a little. And that's all I'm gonna do. It's like very subtle, but I think it's cute. And I curl my lashes with a regular eyelash curler. I've been loving the Babe Lash Volumizing Mascara. It's really good. I swear by Babe Lash. I actually have a code with them. I'll put I'll link like everything, and if I have codes for anything, I'll put that with it. But this is just the Babe Lash Volumizing Mascara. I really like it. And I just apply that to my lashes. So that's one eye with it and one without it. This way. Okay. So this lash is with it, obviously. Another one without it. I really like it. It's so good. So yeah. Okay. Mascara is all applied. I can't tell if it's focused. I don't know why my camera's like not auto-focusing right now, but that's done. I'm just gonna apply the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner to my lips, and then I'm done. I use setting spray, and then we're done. So lips out of line, and then I'll use setting spray, which is over here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I just spray it all over my face. And the makeup look is complete. This is pretty much my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorite products. Here, I'll give you like my top list. So foundation's definitely up there on the list. The Forever Skin Glow. I'll try to focus it for you guys. Forever Skin Glow foundation, it's so good. The Hourglass Vanish Concealer, love, love, love. Dior blush, favorite, obsessed with it. I'll have everything down below as well. Babylash mascara and Pillow Talk lip liner, the setting spray. Those are definitely all my favorite items. I love it all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm touching my hair way too much, but I'm not having the best hair day. If I keep touching my hair, I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have all the products I used linked down below for you guys. And yeah, subscribe if you're new here. Like this video, comment below what you want to see from me next. Follow me on Instagram. Go subscribe to my husband and I's new channel. We just started it. Definitely a bunch of lifestyle content of our life and life updates, house, life, future, everything, even our wedding video. You might get a first look if you're subscribed, I don't know. But definitely subscribe to that, subscribe here, follow me on Instagram. Other socials will be down below, along with the links of everything I'm blabbering. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm hungry, I'm gonna go eat some lunch.